and queen. Ooh Lord, ooh Lord. Just like the sun, light up the earth, it lights up my life.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress D. Hi, nice to have you. If you're a returning subscriber, hey family, welcome back. If you haven't yet subscribed and this is the absolute first time that you are seeing me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you know every time that I upload a new video.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for.
Right, so we're just gonna get into this look for a second. So I created this necklace. I decided that I was going to match my eyes with my necklace and my earrings that I created here, which I think I did a good job on. Yay for me. Okay. And I completed this look using the matte book. So yeah, just so that we can get into it, I know that I'm starting to look a little bit shiny. Maybe not that bad, but I've had my foundation on for 7 hours. Okay, might touch it up a little bit, yeah, but I've had it on for 7 hours. I went out today, I did a very natural look, no shadow, right? I came home and I was like, let's do a look, because I know that I would not have time to film tomorrow to post. So I am filming today on not a fresh face, but for 7 hours it still looks good. And if you guys want to know what I used and it's holding up for 7 hours, I used the Maybelline Super Stay. I just came home and I just decided I can't do a fresh face, but I can do some fresh eyes because I didn't have any shadows on my eyes, and that is exactly what I did. And then I'm going to bed because it's been a long day. Okay, and if you guys want to see how I have achieved this look, then just go ahead and stay tuned and I will run through it with you step by step as I normally do. Right guys, so we are starting with one eye completed and we are going to replicate this eye over here. This brow has been in place for about 7 hours and I used the Anastasia Beverly Hill Dipbrow pomade in the shade Chocolate. Okay. Like I said in my intro, we're going to go ahead and use the matte book, and it's slowly becoming like one of my top favorite palettes, and I'm not just saying that, it really is. I've been dipping into it quite a bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a well-used palette. Okay, so just to keep this swift, I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm using beforehand. Right, so I'm going to apply some P.Louise Base here in the shade 0, which is the white shade, and I am going to go in with this orange here and then this brown. Then I will cut my crease. After I cut my crease, I will go in with this white and then that orange again, and then this maroon, wine red, burgundy, whatever it is that you guys want to call it. I'll be going in with that shade right there. And then at the bottom, I'll go in with the burgundy shade and the orange shade again, okay?
Perfect.
Right guys, so this is the final look. So I did my eyeshadows based on my necklace and earrings. What do you guys think? Let me know, y'all. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.